scratching my neck, reading care codes on my car.